Welcome to this meditation that was recorded live at a wisdom circle I recently hosted. Arrive and settle, breathe. Welcome stillness and quiet. Give a welcome to yourself just as you are in this moment, and receive the welcome of the beloved, knowing that you're loved and seen and held and delighted in. Rest into stillness. Lean back into goodness. Let the day fall away and receive the truth of your enoughness in this moment. Simply aware of your breath in your body and yourself here and now in this moment. And as you feel ready, now begin to turn your attention to the essence of you, your true self, the you that is hidden in Christ and held in the Beloved. A great cathedral of your true being that is all peace and joy and rest and wisdom. You may imagine this place as light, energy and warmth and love. And it is the place where you and the Beloved are in complete union. Two and one at the same time. And I invite you to imagine this center of you beginning to radiate outwards like a ball of light that is emanating out and out and out until you find yourself within a sphere, a ball that is above and below and around, that encompasses you. Maybe it's about 2 feet in every direction, but you are now within the center of yourself. And here I invite you to simply be you in your fullness, resting here in the enoughness of this place. And we're going to stay here together in silence for 5 minutes. I invite you now to bring to mind somebody that you love very much, you're close to. And imagine sending some of this light and love, this spirit of goodness out to them, wrapping it around them and simply holding them within this love as a prayer. With your presence on them, your attention on them. And then gently drawing that light back to yourself, to the sphere, and bringing to mind someone that you're finding difficult, that maybe is causing irritation or frustration. Bring them to mind and send the light and the love, the spirit of goodness out to them and wrap it around them, hold them within it, giving them your loving presence with the beloved, letting your attention be on them. Gently placing them down and drawing that light back to you. And finally bringing to mind a people group, a nation, to bring to mind suffering, whatever form or context that comes to you. And once more, send the light, spirit of love and goodness and wrap it around that suffering. Giving your presence, your compassion. And then gently placing that down and bringing that light back to your sphere, your globe. And slowly imagine that sphere that you've been within retracting and coming back into you, to the center of you. Noticing if the beloved is offering anything, saying anything, inviting anything. Gently, as you're ready, returning here, slowly coming back into your space and this moment, aware of your breath again. Be blessed with grace and hope and love.